I am Kanthath, retired from Army. After retirement, we settled in Noida. In 2009, we built this house. After some time, my wife was operated for the knees, and both the knees were replaced. So we had a requirement for going up. The steps were slightly difficult for her to climb. So my younger son, he proposed that we should have a lift which should be installed inside the house. He showed him this lift and he was mighty impressed. Then he came and told me that Papa, let's have this lift at our place. And since there was no other place, so we had to install the lift inside the house only, and we punctured the slab of the house, and through that the lift was installed. And now we are quite comfortable with this lift. Because both of us can go in this lift together. And moreover, my grandchildren have come, they have made it a hobby to go up and they relax and they enjoy this lift very much.
When they wanted to install a lift, I was a little worried because I was not sure about how it's going to be, what are the safety features of this lift, and whether it is actually safe to have a lift in a house with two elderly people. And then there was a demonstration on how this lift works and the safety features of this lift, wherein you don't even need electricity. In case the electricity fails, it can come down safely on its own, which gave us a little peace of mind that this lift is safe. And then when I saw it being operated, I was convinced that this is a very safe lift and good for elderly people. So it's working very well. It's been installed in our house for almost about 2 years now, and we haven't had any issues so far with the lift. The kids enjoy it, actually going up and down. It's like a fun game for them. And overall, it's a very it is very aesthetic looking as well. When you see it, it feels like it's a good piece of equipment that is installed in the house. And the good part is that it has a lot of inbuilt safety features, plus it has a SIM inside which you can contact. The lift is branded in a way that it is quite unique. I don't think that there are products like this in India. We haven't found any. My brother did the research to find private lifts which can give all these features, and we found that only Nibav was offering all these features. Although we have limited space from where we wanted to install the lift from inside, but this lift is made in such a way that it's a capsule and it can be installed in a very small place, and it is very convenient. So when you look at it, you will realize that it is possible to have such a kind of equipment inside the house in a limited space, which can be used for convenience of the elderlies, and I think it's a brilliant lift. Thank you.
I can go in this lift. It's very convenient for me. It's easy to go, it's very safe, and whenever I want to go upstairs, but it's very convenient for me.